Welcome back to the Vivint Demo House. I'm Darren, and today I've got something special to share with you. Drum roll, please. Now introducing Holiday Approach Chimes. Using our advanced person detection technology, we created a uniquely Vivint experience. Holiday Approach Chimes were designed to automatically play when someone enters your doorbell's detection zone. They don't require any direct interaction with your Doorbell Camera Pro. Holiday Chimes require someone to press your doorbell, which brings holiday cheer with each ring. Holiday Approach Chimes will be available around Halloween, Hanukkah, Christmas, 4th of July, and more. If you want to set up Holiday Approach Chimes, you'll see a banner at the top of your Vivint app under the Cameras tab. From there, you can customize your approach chimes. Just make sure the Smart Deter function on your Doorbell Camera Pro is off for approach chimes to be active. However, if for some reason you don't see the banner, here's how to set them up. Open your Vivint app, tap the Cameras tab, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Select your Doorbell Camera Pro. At the top of the screen, tap Holiday Chimes. Configure your Holiday Approach Chimes in the Mad Lib. And that's it. Holiday Approach Chimes will be live and your porch will be as festive as ever. Keep an eye on your email and your Vivint app to know when Holiday Approach Chimes are available. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. See you soon.